Namaste students, Hamesha Khushro. I am JVN's Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Province University, Jaipur. So today we are going to discuss the topic responses to abiotic factors, and the subject name is ecology and evolution. So let's start. So there is a term that is homeostasis. So what is homeostasis? The ability of an organism to maintain a constant body condition despite varying external environmental conditions. So there are the abiotic factors around us, and they are keep changing. So we have to maintain our normal conditions or our uh, body conditions despite of varying external environmental conditions. So that is the homeostasis. So the possible ways which are adopted by organisms to cope up with the changing environment are the regulate, conform, migrate, and suspend. So what are the terms? So let's understand one by one. So first is the regulate. So it is the maintaining homeostasis by physiological means, which ensures our thermoregulation and osmoregulations. So to keep our body temperature constant and to keep our osmotic concentrations constant, the regulate mechanisms are used. For example, all birds and mammals with a very few lower vertebrates and invertebrate species maintain their temperature. Means our constant body temperature is around 37 degrees Celsius. So we have some mechanisms to maintain the temperature and the osmotic concentrations. So when outside temperature of humans is more than body temperature, that is 37 degrees Celsius, we sweat profusely, and the resulting evaporative cooling brings down the body temperature. Likewise, when the outside temperature is much lower than 37 degrees Celsius, we shiver. That produces heat and raises the body temperature. So second mechanism is the conform. So conformers involve organisms that cannot maintain a constant body temperature. So it is exhibited by 99% of animals and nearly all plants. So what happens that, for example, in aquatic animals, the osmotic concentration of body fluid changes with that of the ambient water osmotic concentration. So the conformers changes their body temperature according to the environment, changes their osmotic concentration according to the environment or the abiotic factors. Next one is the migrate. So migrate, you know that birds are migrates from long distances, one place to another places. So very easy example is the birds. In the Keola Devi National Park at Bharatpur in Rajasthan, hosts thousands of migratory birds coming from the Siberia and other extremely cold northern regions. So it is one of the mechanisms. So next is the suspend. So this is the mechanism employed by the bacteria, fungi, and the lower plants and some animals to survive in the unfavorable conditions. So the thick-walled spores are produced by bacteria, fungi, and the lower plants, and the spore can germinate under the favorable conditions. Seeds of higher plants germinate under favorable conditions. During unfavorable conditions, they go into a state of dormancy, where the metabolic activities are reduced. So animals cannot migrate. If animals cannot migrate under the unfavorable conditions, then they might avoid the stress by escaping in time. For example, the hibernation is seen in the bear, and in winter they go inside the caves and escape themselves by the changing temperature. Like estivation is seen in the snails and the fishes in summer. Likewise, the diapause seen in the zooplankton species as stage of suspended development. So thank you. Hope you are satisfied with this tutorial session. And if you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve your query. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.